I love the car. The car is my favorite. I love going in the car. I'll go anywhere with you guys. This is my favorite thing ever.
We're going to wash Mom's car because it's her turn.
This is Nyla, the Ricci-Glade Python, and you see why she gets that name. She is so beautiful and iridescent. She probably weighs more than I do and might get a little bit bigger than that, but she is a stunner. Was born right here at the Reptile Zoo.
Put your finger in your dog's face and see what they do.
Looked it up. It's 1 in 2 million of how rare these are, and that is probably one of the prettiest blues and whites I've ever seen. I've only caught 2 of these my whole life, and this is the second one. Just a comparison. That's what a regular lobster.
Wow. Well, this is going to be my personality for the rest of my life.
You're gorgeous. You're literally gorgeous. Like,
Hey, Charlie. Hi. Come here. Look. Come here, baby Charlie. Come on. Come here. Move over.
Man, I'm tired of people calling me cute. I gotta show them I'm a vicious dog. I'm vicious. Let me practice.
Again. Here he is again. That's astonishing. It's absolutely world class.
Hi, can you please pet me? I just want to be petted. Just a little pet, please. That's why I'm called a pet. Because you're supposed to pet me all the time. You know you want this. Okay, I'm ready for pettings.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come.
My friends be like, how come you not famous yet? I be like, you didn't share my shit. How come you ain't shared it yet?
Can I have a little bite? Just a tiny little taste, please. You won't even notice it's gone. I'm invisible. You don't see me. I just want a little nibble, nothing more. Hey, I'm here, just in case you didn't see me. This doesn't look safe for you. I should try it first.